Hi, I'm Patrick Flannery, Transtar Industries Digital Expert. Today I'm talking Transend, the industry's best parts lookup and ordering platform. And later on, I'll be giving away a video-exclusive Transend discount code. Let's get started. Every customer who rolls into your shop wants the same thing, a fast fix at a fair price. Transend was designed by industry experts to give your business exactly that. So in turn, you can give every customer the highest level of service possible. It starts with the ability to quickly and easily find the parts that fit the vehicle in your bay. Begin by entering the car's license plate number or VIN, or simply enter the year, make, model, engine details. Here I entered the license plate, and Transend instantly populated a list of parts and products that fit the 2005 Chevy Colorado Sport I'm working on. If I select this Recon Certified Torque Converter and scroll down, I can read the detailed description, specifications, vehicle fitment data, and even see the transmission model this converter is compatible with. Now let's say a customer requested a quote for what will likely be a costlier repair. You have other cars in your shop and you don't necessarily want to add the parts and products needed to make the repair to your cart. This is where templates come in. I'll add this Recon Torque Converter to a new template, which I'll name John Customer. I'll also add this AC Delco solenoid and this Sonex bracket. Can't forget some transmission fluid. Great. Now if I navigate to my orders and select templates, I see that list right here. When I've called John to explain the repair, the cost, and when he'll get his car back, and the job is a go, I can simply click this button, add items to cart, and then check out. Try it yourself. Use discount code VIDEO8 for 8% off your next order. Transend is much more than a parts ordering platform. With simple shortcuts like the one I just shared, you can operate your business more efficiently. If you have ideas for the next Transend video, share them in the link below. Thank you.